Nama Sankirtana is important in everybody's life. There are 4 seasons: summer, spring, autumn and winter. Like that only we were having 4 ages, that is 4 yugas: Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. Satya Yuga is also called as golden age because the lifespan of human being was 100,000 years. People were interested in doing meditation and siddhi. In this age, dharma stands on 4 legs. Next one, Treta Yuga. This is also called as silver age because in this period human being lifespan was 10,000 years. People were interested to do yagnas, yagas and kratus. In this period, dharma stands on 3 legs. Next one, Dwapara Yuga. Dwapara Yuga is also called as bronze age because the lifespan of human being was 1,000 years only. People were interested in Vedas and spiritual activities. Dharma stands on only 2 legs. Last one, running age, is Kali Yuga. This is also called as iron age. In this period, human being lifespan was 100 years only. Very short. In this short period, we have to utilize maximum without wasting. We never expected this type of pandemic we have to face in our life. But it happened. For all these problems, only one remedy is there. That is called Nama Sankirtana. It is very easy to do each and every person. For this, no investment. Only you have to invest time, not money. Per day you have 24 hours. You have to make utilization with proper planning for household work, for sleep, for your creations, for your routine exercises. In between that, you have to spare half an hour to 1 hour for this Nama Sankirtan also. If you make it habit, it will give mental peace and physical strongness also. Per week, we have 7 days. For each day, we have to chant each god. Monday is good for Shiva. Vande Umapatim Suragurum Jagatkaranam. Like this, Shiva chanting you can do. Or else Om Namah Shivaya also you can tell. Tuesday is good for Subramanya Swami and Durga. Shadvaktram Shikivahanam Trinayanam Chitrambaralang Krutim. Like this you can chant any Subramanya Stotram. Or else Om Subramanyaya Namaha, Om Durgaya Namaha. Wednesday is good for Ganesha. Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham. Like these small rhymes you can choose it. Or else Om Ganeshaya Namaha you can chant. Thursday is good for Raghavendra and Sai Baba. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Satyadharma Rajayata. Om Sainathaya Namaha also you can tell. Om Raghavendraya Namaha also you can chant. Friday is good for Lakshmi. Lakshmi Kshira Samudra Rajatanayam. Like that you can chant. Or else Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. Saturday is good for Anjaneya and Sri Venkateshwara Swami. Om Venkateshwaraya Namaha Kalyanadbhuta Gatraya Kamitartha Pradayane. Or else Anjaneya. Om Namo Anjaneyaya Namaha. You can chant. Sunday is good for Surya. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Any words you can choose it. Like this, for each day, some special for each god. Everybody's know. But I want to share some good things with others. Whatever knowledge we are having, we have to share. That habit we have to build always. This is not difficult. Very easy. Anybody can do this. In this Kali Yuga, crime rate was more. Dharma stands only on single leg. Because of this reason, we have to make a good habits. That is chanting. Whenever you find time, you better to chant. Sri Rama, Om Sai Ram, Venkateshwaraya Namaha, Anjaneyaya Namaha, Subramanyaya Namaha. Like these small chantings you can do. This is not difficult. While doing work also, you can say all these things. If you pray, you will get some mental happiness. Because of that, our mind always be in a positive position. Because of positiveness, we will get good results in our life. Again and again I am telling, in this Kali Yuga, because of crime rate is more, this is the better solution in our life. Nama Sankirtana, Nama Sankirtana, Nama Sankirtana. Hope everybody will practice from tomorrow. Thank you.